Hi, this is TechNexion, and today we are excited to show you ROVY-4VM. ROVY-4VM is a compact system-on-module that we designed for industrial automation and robotics applications. This processor features a dual-core Cortex-A72 at 2 GHz, 3 floating-point DSPs, an AI acceleration engine up to 8 TOPS, a GPU, video acceleration hardware, and 6 MCU cores. In addition, we break out up to 4 ports of PCI Express, up to 10 ports of CAN bus, and a number of other I/O ports. Also on ROVY-4VM is up to 8 GB of LPDDR4, Octal SPI flash for boot, and up to 256 GB of UFS flash. On the bottom of ROVY-4VM, we have 2 board-to-board connectors. These are Samtec C-Ray connectors with 240 pins each, providing a very rugged connection to the baseboard. This compact SOM is only 60 mm by 100 mm wide. It will be packaged with an integrated heat spreader, which can be used to mount a heatsink or your own thermal solution. We are also excited to show you the ROVY-EVM. The ROVY-EVM contains all of the connectors and I/O breakout you need to evaluate and start working with the ROVY-4VM SOM. Over here, we start on this corner with 1 port of Gigabit Ethernet, and this is an RJ45 connector, and we show 4 ports of USB Type-A supporting SuperSpeed USB or USB 3.1. We have a USB Type-C connector for loading software and for using as a general USB OTG port. And we have 2 of the UARTs available here with RS-232 DB9 connectors. And we have a quad USB to UART chip on the board to provide 4 UARTs for simpler console access and debugging via this micro USB port. We also have audio ports. This is a wide voltage DC power input. Over here we show our DSI adapter for VisionLink panel. VisionLink panel is a special connection that uses FPD-Link 3 to go from here to a touch display up to 15 meters away. In addition, up here at the top, we show up to 8 ports of VisionLink camera connections. Each of these connects to a VisionLink camera up to 15 meters away over a coax cable. We have a JTAG port and a trace port here for debugging, as well as a micro SD card slot for storage. On the bottom of the board, we have 3 different M.2 connectors, including an M.2 key B port, an M.2 key E port, and an M.2 key M port. The key B and the key E port can be used for cellular and wireless LAN radios, for example. For the key M port at the bottom, this is a special port for connecting custom-designed 4-port Gigabit Ethernet boards that will break out in this direction with RJ45 connectors. This is a special board that we're specifically making for ROVY and the ROVY family of system-on-modules. On top here, we have another key M port which we can use to connect an additional 4 ports of Gigabit Ethernet. Over here, we have 3 CAN bus ports. One of these is connected to the MCU, and the other 2 are connected to the main compute complex, that is the Cortex-A72 and also the DSPs and the other Cortex R5Fs. For more information, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and you can also visit our website or reach out to us with your questions directly at sales@technexion.com. Thanks!